Hello and welcome back to Laundry Lord YouTube channel. Yes, it's been a while since my last video. I've been traveling constantly and I've been busy with so many other things, but I'm more than happy to be back with you guys right now. I've been asked about this product, which had been already presented on my channel. And I'll be going to wash today with this product, which I brought from Portugal, which is basically a liquid detergent made by BlueSun in Spain, and comes, as you can see, from the same company like the Spanish Lavandera. So I'm going to wash whites because I've been asked how the stain removal is with this product. Nonetheless, this product does not have any optical brighteners, so we'll figure this out. I will be washing with 60 degrees anyways, just to make sure that the spots will be removed, but I will remove I will be pre-treating some of the spots before. But first, let me fill in the laundry itself, and then we're gonna take a look at the spots. As you might see, I have a t-shirt here with a like teriyaki oily sauce from some sushi packaging. And I will partially treat it with this product itself. So we'll fill in here. Let us pre-treat only those. I put the liquid detergent right on the spots and let them soak in for a while. The other part I will pre-treat with Sil liquid. I'll give it directly on the spot, and I'm going to make sure that this is not on the same area as the other pre-treated spot. Okay. And I will dip this also here. Good. Okay, and then the other small spots I will pre-treat with this already shown natural cocoa soap. I will pour a little bit of water here and then just put this cocoa soap on these little tiny spots. And then I'll be interested how this works out. A little bit more water. So I should use a toothbrush, but with this nails, it's pretty much the same. Okay, this is not a spot. Okay, and then let's take a look to the next spots. I got two more spots. This is most likely already washed in spots. And I'm sure it's not going to fade away without any pre-treating. So I use my beloved Seal liquid washing booster for this one. And there's one more t-shirt. I really cannot remember where these spots are coming from. So I will do also Seal liquid on this side. This maybe is just liquid. And on this left spot, I will pour the A+ New Generation Technology Frosted Berries Edition right here over this spot. Okay, and then let's find out what happens. So the washing machine is filled in completely, and I have look at the concentration, at the dosage. And one full cap is 55 milliliters, and we have a small load, so it's just 50 milliliters, which I give full 1 cap into the main cycle. And because it's very dirty and the laundry has been lying for here for a week or so, and it has been in my luggage, I pour in a full cap, another full cap for the pre-wash cycle. And then I will choose the program. There will be no fabric softener added because I want to know how the scent will be in the end. I let it soak in for half an hour. Pre-wash intense, it's 60 degrees. And I will give more. Oh, I will not push water plus because maybe there will be too much rinsing out for the scent. And then I can start the machine. Usually I wash my whites with 40 degrees only, but because of the heavy spots and the travel items, I will choose a higher temperature for today. And I really want to get rid of those spots, so I'm really curious how it works out in the end. We will see each other when it's finished. As you can see here, the liquid detergent is poured in correctly and fully, but it does not give a lot of foam. And I put in 1 full dosage for the pre-wash, so I was expecting more foam. So the machine is finished now. It's time to pull out the laundry, and then let's take a look how the stains have been removed or not. There is slightly fragrance, but I doubt that after drying it will be there still. So now the laundry is finished, and surprisingly almost all the spots have gone. Only this t-shirt from Fruit and the Loom still show the old spots here. They haven't vanished. Then I will show you the next t-shirt. This is the next t-shirt with the black label, and I think this one was with the teriyaki sauce. And I can absolutely find anything, any spot here. There seemed to be something like here, but I really cannot find anything. So all spots have gone. With either treatment, like the liquid seal gel or the cocoa soap, or the liquid washing detergent itself. Every spot with 60 degrees have vanished. There might be something here, but it's like nothing here, this line. So I really can recommend this detergent, this liquid detergent from A+, made by Sunblue in Spain. And the fragrance is very light, and I doubt that there will be some fragrance left after drying. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next laundry at Laundry Lord YouTube channel.